Alright guys, I'm back out here with the Foxbat. There is no Wi-Fi running, okay? So we're going to try to fly it without the Wi-Fi. It's going to be no video. I'm just going to fly it around to see if it acts any differently. I'm even turning the Wi-Fi off on the phone. Okay, so there's going to be nothing, no Wi-Fi going at all. It still drifts around a lot, I'll tell you that. I think this thing's just a bad flyer. Just doesn't feel right. All this trimming and God, this thing is drifting all over the place, man. Okay. It actually seems to be flying a little bit better. But that could be just my imagination, okay? I don't know, man. I could just be imagining it. It still seems to have lag in there. I don't know, man. It's just... I don't know, guys. I just don't like the way this thing flies, man. I don't like the way it steers. I don't like the way it jostles around. I don't like that lag. You know, what I really don't like about the lag is that it does it sometimes and doesn't other times. You know, you can anticipate it if you know it's going to do it. But then sometimes it won't. You know, so you're sitting there throttling it around and you're thinking, oh, there's going to be a little bit of a lag here. You can adjust for it or whatever. But then it doesn't do it, you know. it'll be real tight. You can see how it, when it does that, see, it doesn't do it all the time. See, that's the thing. I'll put the flight time in there if I make it that far. And it drifts a lot too, you know. Just not good, guys. Just not good. I don't like it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this because I don't like to give away drones that don't fly good. I don't like to give away stuff that I don't want. That I don't want because it's no good. I don't give away bad drones. So, okay, there's the, you know, the old low battery. So I'm not catching it this time because the last time I did, it hit me in the finger and hurt like hell for like an hour. Shut up. Alright guys, that was the Foxbat, the Apex Foxbat, and I wouldn't buy this thing, man. It just not a good flyer, man. Plain and simple. It's just not a good flyer. Doesn't fly well at all. So that's a no dice for me. Of course, it could be just me. It could be just my model. I mean, who knows? These damn things. Alright guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.